Hi, welcome back to Moose in Chemistry, finding the formula mass, lesson number 2. Alright, formula mass. The formula mass of a compound is the total mass of all the elements added together in a compound. It's also important to remember that 1 mole is equal to 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd grams. Or it could be in atoms, or it could be in molecules, or it could be particles, or whatever. So a mole of anything is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. So let's look at our first compound, silicon dioxide. All right, silicon dioxide. A mole of silicon weighs 28.10 grams per mole. And each mole of oxygen technically is 15.99 grams per mole, but we're going to round that off to 16 grams per mole to make it a little bit simpler. So let's go ahead and do this. So 28.10 times 1, of course, is going to be 20. 20. See how easy that is? This is really super duper easy to do. Alright, so 2 times 16, of course, is going to be 32.00 grams per mole. Alright, so now we're going to add these two together, and this is going to give me a total of 60.10 grams per mole of SiO2. Alright, let's look at the next one. Barium nitrate. So 1 mole of barium weighs exactly 137.33 grams per mole. Nitrogen, 1 mole of nitrogen weighs 14.01 grams per mole. We have 2 of them. And oxygen, remember, each mole of oxygen is 16.00 grams per mole. So let's go ahead and add all these numbers up. So 1 times 137.33, of course, is that exact same number. We're going to write grams per mole. All right. So 2 times 14.01, of course, is 28.02 grams per mole. Okay. And of course, 6 times 16 is going to be 96.00 grams per mole. So all we have to do now is add all that up. And when we do, we get 247.34 grams per mole. Pretty easy. Last but not least, we're just going to do elemental oxygen. So we have 2 oxygens at 16.00 grams per mole. That's going to give me a total of 32.00 grams per mole, right? So that's going to give me 32.00 grams per mole of oxygen. Pretty snarly, eh? If you like this video, give us a like and consider subscribing so we can grow this channel. You guys be snarly. I will see you back here at Moose in Chemistry.